Hello, welcome to the last installment on the 48-inch pipe wrench restoration. On this one, we're going to go over it and get it cleaned up, possibly fine tune a couple things and get some paint on it. So, and I want to show a little, it's on the jaw here, the mark that I found. I think it's a Stillson, and I don't know, it's Stillson and Walworth, I think was the company, or Stillson by Walworth. I'm not really sure which it was, but I'll show you what I have, and I'll show a picture that I found online that kind of goes together. Other than that, there's no marks on this thing. So let me show you that real quick. Here we go. This is the only thing I have visible on here, and I'll post a picture up in the corner that I found online for the Stillson. There's a little thing here. I think that's just rust pitting, but that's all I have to go by right there. And you could see kind of some of the original area there. The rest of it is so pitted that you can't make out anything on there. I'll try and, I don't know, put a piece of paper on it and do like a graphite rub, see if anything comes up, take a picture and then like zoom it in, wet it. I'll try some different things and see if I can get anything positive to come out of it, but that's all I have to go by. So I'm thinking that's what it is, the Stillson. So let me go ahead and start wire brushing this thing and get it. Found this under the crust, and you can just make it out. Stillson. Man, I'd have never thought that would have been under there. Look what else showed up. All the rust and like dirt and grease and grime just had them pits. It looked smooth until I hit it with the wire wheel. That's crazy how that stuff surfaces. Got through the scale, and on the other side here, see where it says Stillson Wrench, Walworth Manufacturing, Boston, USA. And then up here, I don't think the camera will pick it up. Maybe a little bit, you can see where it had 48 in there. Look at that, the camera picks it up, but you can't hardly see it here with your naked eye. That's crazy. So there we go. Real quick, this little emblem here, cartouche, whatever you want to call it, I just figured out what I think that is. I'm not really sure what the cartouche is, but you can kind of see a ball tip, some little ribs, and then like that flare. And then right up here you can kind of see a little bit of a ball tip, some ribs, and the flare again. So what I thought was just random rust pitting, looks like they must have had that cartouche up there too. That's really cool. There's no patent numbers on here, but I'm pretty excited to know what it is now. That's really cool, and my guess was correct. I've kind of ran into a dilemma, and I think this is going to be the end of the video here for now. This is going to be a short one, but I'm really torn on the teeth here on these jaws. These here ain't so bad. I could live with them. These over here are just destroyed. That side, it's like they're okay on that side, but over here they're gone. That just looks terrible. All the work I've done in putting this guy back together and getting everything all fixed up, I need to make up my mind whether I want to try and fix them or not. I don't want to try and fix them and then it look like it was fixed. If I fix them, I want it to look like it wasn't fixed, like it's always been that way. And I don't know if I can pull that off. So we're gonna end this one here. Sorry, I thought I was gonna get some paint on it. I really didn't want to do past four parts, but until I figured out, this is what we got. So might be a part 5 and that's it. Might be a part 6 of me trying to fix these and then the paint job. I don't know, we'll see.